I have been in the office. This is a new vlog. Welcome to a new vlog. So if you're new here, I do vlogs, I do travel, skincare, faith, beauty, lifestyle. And don't forget to like, okay? Thank you so much. Basically, I'm at work today. Packaged some orders for delivery. I shot some content today for TikTok. That's the delivery orders. And then I'm about to formulate a product. So that one is a video on its own. So it's not going to be on this vlog. So that's how my day has been going. I was actually very busy arranging my laboratory. Let me show you guys a peek of it. So that's my lab. You working on some items and some equipment. I'm supposed to get a stainless table this year because I don't want to say this month, this year. So definitely we're getting a stainless table, formulation table, which is basically standard for formulation. So we're going to trying to upgrade, and that's it for today. Okay, I was trying to schedule a delivery, but it's showing error. I'm trying to schedule for a delivery for a shipment, so it's showing error. No, I haven't been able to book. I just entered the address, so I'm supposed to go to the next page and
if the office where you meet us, take me there, take me there. If what you need is just an offering, it's right here, my life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed, I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord is my life. If your glory wants to come in, let it fall. We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord, here's my life. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Let it burn, let it burn. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let it burn. Oh, gotta let it burn.
Been a sinner, but I'm a saint. 'Cause I'm a winner when I'm covered in grace. Winter, spring, and fall, it's on you I call. You get me through it all. The only one who knows how many times I couldn't get my mind right. Oh, drowning in my tears at night, haunted by the limelight. Ooh. You are the way, the truth, the life I seek, I find. So glad I finally realized I've got a lifeline. God, you are the lifeline. God, you are the light. I searched all over, not like Jehovah Rapha, Nisi, never leave me. Remember times you were my only friend. Now it's me and you, there is no end. And I'm forever your lady. I'll be forever your baby. There ain't no ifs, ands, or maybes. You are, you are, you are. You are the way, the truth, the life I seek, I find. So glad I finally realized got a lifeline. God, you are the lifeline. God, you are the lifeline.
No more broken hearts, no more. No more broken, no more broken, no more broken hearts. Yeah. Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Surrender your will and just ride. Love yourself in the meantime. Never feed into the lies. You know your heart desires. Shorty giving that stuff, but she fed up. Yeah, yeah. Shorty giving that stuff. Shorty giving that stuff. Shorty giving that stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. blessing. Shawty giving Esther. Don't you let them down days fester. Don't you let your friends peer pressure. When it's their time, tell them bless up. Cause when it's yours, floodgates from heaven. I know, telling you it's coming. It's like preaching to the reverend. But somebody had to tell you. Sit back and let it settle. God pulling strings like Geppetto. Don't put your faith in no fellow. They poking at you with their nose when they tell you it ain't in your cause, but God aligning the stars. You deserve a lot like a line of cars. Everything you want already yours, yeah. If you believe it, that's the hardest part of receiving. It's your season, only if you mean it. Shawty giving us love, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits.
We ourselves grown inwardly, as eagerly we await to be adopted as God's children, redeemed by this hope.